So I totally did not understand one little aspect of using MKCad in Onshape from the other night on Tuesday the 8th, and I was doing some stuff that I didn't have to be doing to demonstrate how to assemble, say, 57 sport gearboxes. So I wanted to record this little screen recording to show you how this all goes together so that you can do better than I was doing on Tuesday the 8th. So let's insert an assembly here. We're going to go to Other Documents, MKCad, pick gearboxes. Now here is where I went wrong. I was picking everything from the part studios here for the gearboxes, and you can do that. You can drag in the the sport gearbox body, the mounting plate for the motor, then the motor itself. But the assemblies tab over here completely missed it, just completely whiffed. So over here you see we have configurable sport as an option. So we can hit this little drop down. We can pick what motor we want. We're fans of the Redline motor. We have a bunch of 20-to-1 gearboxes we have set, and then I can click generate. And you'll see when I click it, it now gives me a completely assembled 57 sport gearbox, 20-to-1, with the Redline motor already attached. So now we are one step closer to having everything together, and we didn't have to assemble the motor to the motor plate to the gearbox. We just saved ourselves a little bit of time. Thank you for watching.